So I've been sitting on this one for quite some time. We're looking at the Kit BB N105 V2 plugin. Now what these guys did, they went over to Blackbird Studios, they went to Studio A, and they did their thing, and we have this wonderful EQ here. Now there are two parts to this. We have the EQ, and we have the core compressor. Now the core compressor, that's going to be a separate video. We're just gonna focus on this plugin for this video. So over here I have a session that I put together really quick using some of the stock sounds that ship with my DAW. All right, normally we start from left to right. This time we're gonna go from top to bottom. So over here we have our preamp sensitivity. We have our preamp mode, our preamp saturation, high frequency. Then over here you have your high gain. Then over here you got these two little switches here, right? High mid, high Q, high mode. Then we got high mid frequency, and we have high mid gain. Low mid frequency, low mid gain. Another set of switches here. So we have low mode, low mid, high Q. Then we have a low pass and a high pass filters here. And we have phase, and we have this bypass EQ option here. So we're gonna listen to the bass. So I mentioned that we have a low pass and a high pass filter. So if we wanted to cut some of that bass, let's turn that back on, put this back at its factory default setting. Now if we wanted to boost, let's be a little bit more extreme. So let's say you wanted to add a little bit of high end. First thing you want to do is turn it on. And over here we have analog hum. Usually I keep this off. Reason, if you have 20, 30 versions of the plugin across your session, it's gonna stack up. Okay, so now we're gonna listen to the drum loop. So we have this preamp sensitivity and it's currently locked. We can't do anything with it. I'm gonna go to the output level, bring that down. Things are really starting to get nasty. So we're kind of driving the desk. Now I'm not doing this with compression or anything like that. So just for fun, I duplicated the track and we're gonna mix that in. So what a wonderful plugin. It's definitely becoming one of my favorites. What do you guys think about this plugin? Have you guys tried it? If so, let me know. Now, this isn't their only plugin. We also have this compressor to take a look at, and that's going to be the next video. So I want to thank you for watching my video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.